to 1900, it was a very peaceful village. It was a trading village. Here the ravens. Predominantly a raven village. My clan is a raven clan, the Gwaii clan. We have some cousins flying around.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that cool? This is a little section of about a 65-foot tall house frontal wall. So this is the only section of a house frontal wall from that period of time that still exists in the village in front of the house in which it stood. All those house frontal walls have either, fallen and been sectioned and taken away, or were actually cut down and taken away. So those are the ones you see in the museums. The person who carved this belonged to an unbroken chain of apprenticeship all the way back to the first person who carved the cedar. First person who took a tool and thought, hey, I could maybe carve one of my crests into that. The crests that tell the story of who lives in the house that it's on front of. And they're breathing the first breath of life in this thing. Whoo! And they dance around it like that for about 5 minutes with their carving tools. And as it gets raised, it gets born. And then you know that you're home again.